Welcome to another Joneview JA update of St. Thomas Southern Coastal Highway and Road Improvement Project. In today's video, we will be covering 12 miles to 10 miles Bull Bay, St. Thomas, Jamaica. The direction that we will be taking in this flight will be from east to west in the direction of Kingston. But we will be taking a detour towards the newly cut road that will take you towards 11 miles. Now my Joneview JA family, let's get this video on the road. Now guys, in the background you can see the other section of the highway leading towards 10 miles Bull Bay, separated by the main A4 road.
All the time. No wonder I'm on a high when I'm with you, oh yeah. You like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go.
Guys, remember to like, share and subscribe. And if you are new to the channel and you like my videos, please remember to hit that subscribe button.
Is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately. I can hear it calling for you. Mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I'm one of a kind, you know, you ain't never lied. Fact is, you're one of one yourself, 'cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging, let's just sleep today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time, 'cause I can love you like no one else.
Now guys, in this view, you can see the outline of the new Suncoast Beach Club that is in progress. Now, Joneview JA family, in this shot, we are looking towards 13 miles Bull Bay.
Sunshine, I've been waiting. Sunshine, why you playing?
Now, my viewers, we haven't covered here for a while because the work has been slowed down somewhat. But since then, there have been a few adjustments to the highway, but nothing major.
Forever and now, I'll never bring you sorrow. So don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow. Forever and now. Spotlight from my cell phone. Sounds like it's your ringtone. I get chills when you call. Wanna give you my heart. So I might talk all night long. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing attention, and baby, I swear I give you my tomorrow. Forever and now, I'll never bring you sorrow. So don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow. Forever and now. Chills, yeah, I get chills when you call.
Now, my Joneview JA family, if you remember the last videos that we did of this section, they were working on the underpass, leaving that space between the underpass and the highway. Now it has been filled, leaving this road completely joined. I even remembered you guys were asking me if the underpass was high enough. Now you have seen the truck drive through that underpass.
So don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow. Forever and now.
Now we are seeing some of the workmen hard at work on the highway. But one thing we must note is that the Czech engineers are stretched out, mainly because the retake of a few sections held by the local contractors in the eastern end of St. Thomas. Now these engineers are mostly between Morant Bay and License, trying to undo the major mishaps left by the local contractors that left the residents of those areas living in dust day by day and the road in a terrible condition. I remembered it being all over the news. The member of parliament in that section had to beg the Chinese to come and take over that section. Now with some swift action from the Czech engineers, the areas of Morant Bay and License are being paved at this moment. My viewers, with Jonesview JA, you are sure to see the latest happening, the latest update. Now here we are seeing some major digging taking place. It seems like they are about to build a massive drainage system. There's one main thing a people of Jamaica will tell you. Water drains are very important. We are so used to having major floodings when there are heavy rainfalls, especially in the hurricane season in Jamaica. And now to make this highway last, we need drains, 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 and more drains.
You're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you.
Now my Jonesview JA family, I'm eagerly awaiting driving on this highway, even though the government says that this highway will be completed by 2025.
Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness.
Now, right around that corner, you'll find the community of 10 Miles Bull Bay. You'll also find the newly built bridge that borders St. Thomas and St. Andrew. My Jonesview JA family, I may have spoken a lot in this video, but I am so excited to see the progress of this highway. Now my viewers and subscribers, let us do a quick tour of the Suncoast Beach Club area. Now guys, the Suncoast Beach Club is a housing development with beachfront property. You can go online and check out and find out more information about that.